Hello, I'm Chung Ho from the Ministry of Economy in Singapore. And this is the Singapore economy in the past few years. And if we ignore the rapid recovery of the GDP growth just after the pandemic, the GDP growth after COVID-19 is actually decreased from 3.5% to 1.85%. And one of the possible issues is the high frequency rate of the fatal and non-fatal occupational injuries, as the workers cannot work because of the injuries or the unsafe working environment may cause the foreign workers unwilling to work in our countries. The GDP of the industry may decrease because of the lack of manpower in the industry. And these are the evidence of the issues that we can see in both fatal and major injuries. There are no significant reduction in the past 8 years in Singapore. And we can also see here in construction and manufacturing industry are the two major sectors that contribute to most number of the injuries, and the major reasons would be workplace injuries and occupational diseases. And to solve the issues, our ministry is targeting on Target 8.8, which is promoting the safe and secure working environments for all workers. And the proposal will be improve the monetization of the workplaces by providing full funding for employers to hire safety workers. And additionally, we are also planning to add one more safety workers for every additional 2,500 workers, unlike the traditional, adding one more safety workers for every additional 5,000 workers. As the adding of safety workers is related to the number of workers, we also did a projection to project the number of construction and manufacturing workers in the following years, and the number of workers will be increased by 90,000 from 2024 to 2030. And the average salaries of safety workers in Singapore would be around 5,500 per month, and the amount of safety workers in 2024 would be around 2,000. And with the projection, we can calculate that the additional amount of safety workers in the following years will be around 6 per year. So the total funding required from 2025 to 2030 would be around 900 millions. And with more safety workers, there would be a safer working environment, and more workers will be like to work in our industry, and the GDP of industry will be increased. And the expenditure of economic industry will be around 133 millions per year, which will occupy around 5.6% of the manpower budget, and health ministry will be 10.5%, 10.5 millions per year, which will occupy 0.5% of the health budget, and energy ministry will be 340 millions per year, which will occupy around 7.6% of the sustainability and the environment budget. As we can see, the budget can fully cover the expenditure, so all three proposals from three ministry would be approved.